People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, the government of Jamaica has made a shocking decision to close down the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Right. For those who are not aware, that is the state-owned corporation that owns Petrojam. Right. And this body also is active in oil and gas exploration across the island, onshore and offshore. PCJ even has its hand in real estate. Right? For example, it owns a 2,000-acre property over there in St. Elizabeth. Right? And it has a beachfront park and all kind of things over there. So PCJ is more than just Petrojam and oil. But now that the government has decided to shut it down, what is strange is that there wasn't much information even announced. Like, it wasn't even like a big story. The government announced it like they were talking about going for lunch or something casual, right? And the opposition is asking for answers, and I think the people of Jamaica should get answers, especially as it relates to, well, what is it going to be replaced with? Right, because Petrojam still exists, so who is going to manage Petrojam? Right. Not only that, all of these properties and assets that PCJ owned, who are now going to be in control of them? See, we have to keep an eye on this because, for example, that 2,000-acre property I told you about down there in St. Elizabeth, and the others that PCJ own. If you're not careful, these politicians will sell them off to them friends for very cheap, right? Or way below market value. So we need some answers. We need a full breakdown of, okay, this is what PCJ has, right? This is what's going to happen to Petrojam from now on. These properties will either stay and go under the new body that will govern Petrojam, or we're going to put them on the market for this price and that price. Because technically these things belong to the public, right? PCJ is a state-owned corporation. Although me and you know that state-owned, even though in theory they claim state-owned means people-owned, we know the people don't own nothing, right? State-owned mean exactly that, the government, right? And they will give it to their friends, they will sell it off to their friends cheap. So we need to keep an eye on this, right? So because I've only seen a couple stories here and there, and it's not front page news, it's not highlights all over. Something as big as PCJ, which literally generate billions, right? We can't let something like this just get disbanded, right? And we don't have any more information. So the government needs to clarify what is going on, and the people need to demand answers. Right, so this is just a quick update, people. Right, so Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless up.